Guess what, guys? I don't know. I don't want to give out the secret, but you already know. Hey guys, how are you guys doing? Hi, welcome back to my channel. If you're a new watcher, please make sure you click the subscribe button and keep watching. And if you're a returner and you haven't subscribed yet, I know you guys, please subscribe right now. Click the red button under this video and also click the bell to be notified anytime I upload a new video. Now, today I'll be trying my Longrich products, but I'll be trying their products today to see how it works. I'm going to be trying their shampoo and their conditioner. I'm going to use the conditioner for deep conditioning. Today I'm going to be doing my wash day and twist out routine. Now, over the years, my wash day routine has changed. But that's fine because everybody you try whatever and you find your spot. And right now I feel like I found my spot. I found what I actually want to be doing for my wash day routine. Also, check out this twist out, baby. Ooh. Okay, well, to see how I got this look, keep watching and subscribe still. Like, comment under, and also follow me on Instagram at Natural Favorite C, because I post every day on my story. I don't post every day on my feed, but I post every day on my story. So I think I'm kind of funny. So if you follow me, you will laugh every day. Also, guess what, guys? I don't know. I don't want to give out the secret, but you already know that I am in 100+ subscribers. You already know it. I knew that we're gonna get here. I just knew it because you guys have supported me in everything, and I just I'm just surprised. I knew we'll get here, but I didn't know when. I didn't even know it would not be long, you know? So thank you guys for 100+ subscribers and for 500+ followers on Instagram. I said that this year was my year from the beginning of this year, but Corona came, quarantine came, and everybody is like, okay, this year is not our year. We should be praying for next year. But this year was actually my year. So I'm thankful for everything. I'm thankful for the subscribers. I'm thankful for the followers. Thankful for all the encouragement I get, all the support, comments, everything. It helps me so much. So thank you. Now, let's head into the video. So guys, as you can see, I'm starting with very dry hair, and I want to wash it, and so I'm going to be dividing and putting it into sections, and also detangling my hair. And I want to detangle it before I start washing it, so it'll be easier to go through the hair, so I'm not working with tangled hair. Now that it's all combed, I drenched it. I put water and made it really drenched, and now I'm gonna section it and twist it up, so I'm washing in sections. Now I'm gonna start using the shampoo. I'm opening it for the first time, and it is a very good shampoo. So I'm just gonna put a little bit in my hand and wash it and just scrub my scalp and not my tips. I always start from my roots and not my tips. After washing, I'm just twisting it back up, and then I'm just gonna go and rinse it out when I'm done with that. 'Cause I can't see you anywhere. 'Cause I don't wanna know, I swear I should go, no, I don't wanna let you down. Now I just finished rinsing out the shampoo, and I'm gonna use the Longrich conditioner and deep condition. So because my hair was just damp, I put in a little bit of water, and then I am going to be putting a little bit of conditioner because it is thick. It's a thick conditioner, and it went through my hair real well, and you can see how my definition is coming out little by little because of the conditioner. It's a very good conditioner. It gives protein and it makes your hair bounce, as you can see. So now I'm gonna start brushing the hair in sections from the tip of my hair because I want to twist it up. I'm twisting it up so that the moisture will remain, because I'm going to just use the longer conditioner to deep condition. I'm not going to use deep conditioning now.
Let's take it slow. Where you go, I go too. And if you hit the bottom, I'm going down with you.
I'm just going to do that for the whole of my hair. And I'm going to wrap it in a plastic bag and my bonnet and leave it for up to 30 minutes or more.
You ask me how we got here, 'cause you don't know how. You say we're taking on water, yeah, we're sinking now. You're looking all concerned, like we're gonna drown. But we both know how to swim, no worries, let's float for now. Let's take it slow. Where you go, I go too. And if you hit the bottom, I'm going down with you. Let's take it slow. Who cares where we gotta be? You know you'll have a good time wherever you're with me. Let's take it.
Now my hair is done, deep conditioning, and look at that, it soaked up all the moisture and it's still wet and it's bouncy. My hair is just really like moisturized right now, and if you guys can feel, just look at that, soft and easy to go through, and I'm just like, you know, feeling it. Now I'm just gonna add my Cancer Shea butter because I'm going into my twist out, and I'm gonna add that to the whole of my hair, and also my black castor oil.
Let's take it.
Now I'm starting to do my twist out, and I'm just dividing my hair so that I can be able to twist it.
Go to, and if you hit the bottom, I'm going down with you. Let's take it slow. Who cares where we gotta be? You know you'll have a good time wherever you're with me.
And it goes a little something like.
I also forgot to tell you guys that I had to rinse out the conditioner from my hair because it was just deep conditioning. So now I'm twisting my hair because I'm not gonna plait it, I'm not gonna braid it, I'm just twisting because the twist out, of course. Now I'm just gonna do that for the whole of my head, and you see when I'm done. Now on to the fun part. I am trying Flexi Rods for the first time. Oh, I didn't mention that. Yep, I'm trying Flexi Rods for the first time, and it was easy to do. And as you can see, I just rolled the Flexi Rod on my hair, and then I folded it down because it's flexible, of course, Flexi Rods.
All alive. The devil's in the detail, lingered inside. Oh, a holy crime. But how can I hide you without an alibi? It's a lover's fight without an alibi. You took my innocence. I can't wait no longer. I'm playing with the monsters. Everything that brought me alive. Going wrong like nonsense. Playing with the monsters. They brought me alive, but got no alibi. It's a lover's fight without an alibi. You took my innocence without an alibi.
After I'm done with this, I'm just going to leave it until the next day, and I'm going to take it down. So this is the next day. Ooh, look at me, looking so beautiful. And so now I'm taking down all the Flexi Rods and the twists, and I'm just going to like see the final look.
Going around like nonsense, playing with the monsters. They brought me alive, but got no alibi. It's a lover's fight without an alibi. You took my innocence without an alibi.
So right now I'm just gonna start separating the hair. If I feel it's too big, I separate, and just make it look the way I want it to look. So you can style it any way you want, but I'm gonna do a side part and kind of like a tiny bang. Let's see.
Slowly kisses passing by the river. I've been missing your strawberry kiss, 'cause nothing as sweet the taste still drive me crazy.
Hey.
So that is it, guys. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, and comment.